have in front of me the weirdest, strangest makeup blender. It's supposed to mimic skin-on-skin contact, applying makeup flawlessly, and you're supposed to use up to 60% less makeup than a sponge. That's full coverage right there. I usually never get this kind of coverage with just one pump. Okay, let's apply some concealer. I mean, this is definitely giving me pretty full coverage. I'm gonna apply my contour. They did it to the side of it, and then just blended this. That blended out really nice. All right, blush time. Just dip it right in here with that textured side. Let's see how it's gonna blend out. I mean, it's blending out really good. I mean, it looks really pretty. It's very, very dewy, very glowy. So it did work, but it has its limitations. I think it's cool. I think it's good, but every texture is a little bit more exaggerated.